Hi, I'm Sten Lindby, head of R&D at Rockwool, and these are the Stone Rockers, our company band. I'm here to talk about the amazing acoustic capabilities of our products. Through sound insulation and absorption, our products can optimize the acoustic performance of a room. This delivers better acoustic comfort in buildings all over the world, from offices and schools to hospitals and hotels. Unfortunately, it also means that the Stone Rockers think they sound better than they actually are. Luckily for us, Stonewool also has amazing soundproofing capabilities, helping to isolate and control vibrations and block out unwanted noise. For peace and quiet when you need it most. Back to work. Acoustic capabilities is just one of the amazing 7 strings of stone we harness in our products to enrich modern living.